3 Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorists were killed in a gunfight with the security forces in Nadir village of Jammu and Kashmir's Pulwama district today. The 3 terrorists were identified as Asif Ahmad Sheikh, Amir Nazirwani and Yamar Ahmad Bhatt, all residents of Pulwama district. This is the second encounter in the Union territory within 48 hours. Odisha continues to reel under intense heat wave, leaving residents seeking relief. Hope is on the horizon as Kal Vaishakhi's terms are expected to bring respite. The Regional Meteorological Center in Bhubaneswar has forecast thunderstorms, lightning and gusty winds across the state until May 18. The Defence Research and Development Organization has developed an indigenous seawater desalination technology. Developed by the Defence Materials Stores and Research and Development Establishment, Kanpur, the nanoporous multilayered polymembrane technology will be used for high-pressure seawater desalination in Indian Coast Guard ships. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh today interacted with the soldiers at Badami Bagh cantonment at Srinagar in Jammu and Kashmir and boosted their confidence by appreciating their valour and courage during the Operation Sindoor. The Argus Agri Vikas Conclave Season 4 was organized in Bhubaneswar today. Odisha Agriculture Secretary Dr. Aurobindo Padhi highlighted Odisha's record-breaking food production and progressive policies designed to empower farmers. This year's theme, Farm to Fashion, underscores the link between agriculture, climate change and sustainable farming practices. Deputy Chief Minister Kanak Vardhan Singhdeo launched an app named Voice of Odisha. US-based company Axiom Space today announced a delay to its Mission 4, which intended to carry astronaut Shubhanshu Shukla as the first Indian to go to the International Space Station. Earlier scheduled for launch on May 29, the mission will now lift off from the Kennedy Space Center in Florida aboard a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket on June 8 at 9:11 a.m. India's car sales recorded a 3.9% increase to 3,48,847 units in April this year from 3,35,629 units in the same month last year. The Society of Indian Automobile Manufacturers also said car exports from India surged nearly 20% year-on-year to 59,395 units in April. Gold buyers in India have a reason to cheer as prices of the yellow metal saw a significant drop today. The price of 24-karat gold fell by rupees 2,375 per 10 grams, bringing it down to rupees 91,484 from rupees 93,859 according to the Indian Bullion and Jewellers Association.